Good morning, class. Okay, so I know we've done this before, but I just want to do what now? A review, right? For highest common factors. We know that the factor of a number is any number that can divide a number without what now? Remainder, right? So if I'm asking you to give me the factors of 12, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What these numbers can divide 12 without what now? Without remainder. Is that okay? Is that right? Are you with me? All of these numbers can divide 12 without what? Remainder. So if I give you 12, I just put for 12 now, right? Then what if I ask you to give a number as large as 72? If you try and do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 5 cannot divide, and then go 6, 7 cannot divide, 8 can divide, 9, 10 cannot divide, 11 cannot divide, 12, 13, you waste your whole time, right? So instead of going through all of those stress, I can just simply write 12 somewhere. Let me start with 12 again. And start from 1. 1 into 12 is what? It's 12. 2 into 12 is what? It's 6. 3 into 12 is what? It's 4. After 3, what do I have? 4. 4 is already there, so I what? I stop. And then if I take it through, the factors, you're not paying attention. Factors of 12 becomes what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and what? And 12. Like we had in the beginning. Right? So if I want to look for 72, instead of going through all this rigor, I can just simply write 72. Write 72 somewhere. This is 72. 1 into 72 is what? 72 times, right? Am I working with myself?
No.
2 into 72 is what? 36. 3 will go how many times? Embarrassed. 24. 4 will go how many times? 18. 5 cannot go into 72. 6 can go into 72 how many times? 12 times. 7 cannot go into 72. 8 can go into 72 how many times? 9 times. You're not paying attention. Me? It's not you. I'm talking to her. I don't recall your name. That's I'm being funny, right? So after 8, what do I have? 9. 9 is already there, so I what now? I stop. If I take it all the way, I will have what now? All the factors of what? 72. So I can have 72 to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and I have what now? 12. I have 18. I have 24. I have 36, and what now? 72. This is one easy way to what? To go about what? Checking for factors of a number. Alright? So these are factors of 12 and 72 as it were. You can find factors for other stuff. So if I want to now look for, okay, let me write them properly, sorry. I have 12, I have 18, I have 24, I have 36, I have what now? 72. So if I ask you to tell me what are the common factors of 12 and 72? Hello? Common factors of 12 and 72 is what is here and also what now? Here. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So what are the common factors? Common factors of what? 1. Help me out. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Right? So what is going to be the highest common what now? Factor. It's going to be what? 12. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try this. I have 48, I have 60, I have what now? 96. So for 48, I know it's 1 and 48, 2 and what? 24, 3 and what now? 3 into 48 is 1, what's happening to me? 16. 4 into this is what? That's 12. 5 cannot go. 6 into 48 is 8. 7 cannot go. 8 is already here. 8 is already here. So what do? I stop. Because if I decide to write 8, I'll get the 6 times. It's going to be like I'm reversing this. So I'll have to stop. And then I'll take all of this. I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and what now? 48. Are you with me? Now can we try for what? Now for 60. Very quick. For 60, I'm going to get what? 1 into 60 is what? 60, right? 2 into 60 is what? 30. 3 into 60 is what now? 20. 4 into 60 is 15. 5 into 60 is 12. 6 into 60 is 10. 7 cannot go into 60. 8 cannot go into 60. 9 cannot go into 60. I already have what? 10 here. So what do? I stop. Are you with me? So I'm going to have what now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and what? And 60. All those are what now? Factors of what? Of 60. And what do we say factors are? All these numbers can divide 60 without what now? Remaining. Are we together? If you do the same thing for 96, very quickly. I have 96. 1 into 96 is what? 96. 2 into 96 is what? 48. 3 into 96 is 30, 32. 4 into 96 is 24. 5 into 96 cannot go. 6 into 96 is 16. 7 into 96 cannot go. 8 into 96 is 12. 9 into 96 you cannot go through. 10 into 96 cannot. 11 cannot. And then what now? We have what? 12. So we're taking what? The whole of this. Are you with me? So I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I alone in the class?
No.
6,
8.
Will you press 1? 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, and 96. Alright? Alright?
Alright.
I know what to do to you guys. You don't want to embarrass me, it's not going to work. So I have common what now? Common factors. What's up? All the way. What's up in here? 1 is always a common factor of all numbers. The next what? The next what? 3. Next what? 4. Next what? 6.
8.
Maybe I'm losing you guys. Look at this. 1, right? 2, right? 3 is everywhere. 4 is everywhere. 6 is also everywhere. Am I correct?
Yes.
8 is not everywhere. 12 is everywhere. 16 is not everywhere. 24 is not what now? Everywhere. 48 is not what? Everywhere. So we know our common factors to be these ones, right? 6 and what? And 12. So what's my HCF going to be? HCF going to what now? 12. That's the highest common one now. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now instead of doing it like this, there are other ways that we can use to what? Another method we can use to do what? HCF. I'll show you 3 different methods. This one way. Now this way is usually what now? It's too long, too lengthy. But this one gives you a better understanding of what the highest common factor is. That means for 48, 60 and what? And 96, 12 is the biggest number that can divide them without what now? Without remainder. Are you with me? 12 is the biggest number that can divide all of them without what? Remainder. So I'm going to have this. Let's go back here. Let's do the same thing. We just did now. Get the number again. We have what? 48, 60, and what? 96, right? So I'm coming back to do 48, 60, and what? 96. We have learned how to express numbers as product of prime factors before now, right? And remember we have 48. If we want to express as product of prime factors, we can divide what? By 2 to get what? 24. 2 to get what? 12. 2 to get what? 6. 2 to get 3. 3 to get what? 1. So if I express 48 as product of prime factors, I'll get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. If I express this as product of prime factors, I'll get 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. If I do the same thing for 96, I'll get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Alright? So I'll express them as product of prime factors. I said this is another method. So I want to find, but in this method, I cannot find what? Common factors. I can only find highest common what now? Factors. So I'm going back here. What is common everywhere? This, and this, right? So I'll take one of them. I have this, and this, right? I'll take another one. Do I have 2 everywhere again?
No.
I have 3, 3, and what? 3. I'll take one of them. Is there any other thing that is everywhere that I'm not taking out?
No.
So I'm going to have what now? 2 times 2 times 3 to give me what? 12. What did we get when we were solving the last time? We had what now? 12 as the highest common factor. You get what I'm saying? So whichever method you are using will give you the same what? The same answer. One last method we're going to try before I leave this place for HCF. Is that this? Can you see remember the numbers? 48, right? 60, and what? 96. This is another method you can use. Look for a prime number that can divide everything without what now? Remaining. And then use it. For HCF, sorry, for LCM rather, even if it's only one that you can divide, you what now? You use it, right? But for HCF, it must divide what? Everything without what? Without remainder. They're trying to make me laugh, right? Okay, so I have what? 2 dividing 2. 2 here is what? 24, and then I have 30, and I have 48. 2 here is what? 12, and I have what? 15, and I have what now? 24. 2 can divide 12, but 2 cannot divide 15, so I will have to stop. I can't use 2 anymore. You get what I'm saying? Which other number can I use that will divide everything? 3 can divide 12, 15 and what now? 24. So if I divide this by 3, I'll get 4, this I'll get 5, this I'll get what now? 6. Is there any other number that can divide us all these 3? No other number. So my HCF will now be what? 2 times 2 times 3. That'll give me what now? 12. So the HCF, when I use this method, the other method, whatever method, you get the same what now? The same answer. Now I want you to try this one on your own. Everybody. I want you to do for 45, 90 and what now? And 15. Is that alright? I'll catch you in the next class. Is that what?